Alright, so in this video I'll show you the most laziest way that I found that you can actually clean this blade. And this is my table saw blade that I've been using quite for a while, and you can see here there's a bunch of gunk and wood residue between the saw teeth here. And typically I recommend to like scrub this out. So I'm going to show you how to clean this in 5 minutes with almost zero effort. So what I usually do is I start with my tool cleaner and I just soak this thing. Soak all the teeth and just spray it liberally. Once you sprayed it down, you gotta wait for it 5 minutes. So let's let it sit. All right, everybody, so it's been about 5 or 10 minutes. You can see the tool cleaner really worked into the blade. And so now I'm just gonna take in my air compressor with this attachment and just blow off